Patio doors are more than just an entrance to your backyard. They bring in natural light, provide beautiful outdoor views, and help create a smooth transition between indoor and outdoor living. In Houston, where warm weather and outdoor gatherings are common, having reliable and attractive patio doors is especially important. However, like any part of your home, patio doors eventually wear out. Knowing when it's time to replace them can help improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall appearance. Here are some key signs that it may be time to replace your patio doors. Difficulty opening or closing the door. One of the most obvious signs that your patio doors need replacing is when they become difficult to open or close. Sliding patio doors should move smoothly along their track. If you notice resistance, sticking, or the door coming off track frequently, it could indicate worn-out rollers, track damage, or frame issues. Houston's humidity and temperature changes can cause materials to warp over time, making doors misaligned or harder to operate. While minor repairs may temporarily help, persistent issues often mean the entire door system should be replaced. Drafts or rising energy bills. If you feel drafts near your patio doors, your home may be losing valuable conditioned air. Older patio doors often lack modern insulation technology, which can lead to higher cooling costs, especially during Houston's long, hot summers. New patio doors are designed with energy-efficient glass, tighter seals, and improved insulation. Replacing outdated doors can help maintain a more consistent indoor temperature and reduce the strain on your HVAC system. Visible damage or warping. Over time, patio doors can develop visible wear and tear. Cracked glass, rotting wood frames, rusted hardware, or warped materials are all signs that replacement may be necessary. Damage not only affects the door's appearance but can also compromise security and functionality. In Houston's climate, exposure to moisture, storms, and strong sunlight can accelerate deterioration. If your patio door shows significant structural damage, replacing it is usually the safest and most practical option. Condensation between glass panes. Many patio doors feature double or triple pane glass for better insulation. If you notice fog, condensation, or moisture trapped between the panes, the seal has likely failed. When this happens, the door loses much of its insulating capability. A failed seal also makes the glass look cloudy and reduces visibility. In most cases, replacing the door or the glass unit is the best solution to restore clarity and energy efficiency. Outdated appearance. Home design trends evolve, and older patio doors can sometimes make a space feel dated. If your doors look worn, discolored, or simply don't match the style of your home anymore, upgrading them can significantly improve your home's appearance. Modern patio doors come in a variety of designs, including sleek sliding doors, French-style patio doors, and large glass panels that maximize natural light. A replacement can instantly refresh your living space and boost curb appeal. Security concerns. Your patio doors should provide both convenience and protection. Older doors may have outdated locking systems, weakened frames, or loose handles that make them easier to force open. Today's patio doors are built with improved locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass options. If security is a concern, upgrading your doors can provide greater peace of mind. Increased outdoor noise. If you're hearing more outside noise than usual, your patio doors may not be insulating sound effectively. Older glass and worn seals allow more noise to enter your home. Newer patio doors with advanced glass technology can help reduce outdoor noise and create a quieter indoor environment. Final thoughts. Replacing your patio doors isn't just about fixing a problem. It's also an opportunity to enhance your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and style. If your patio doors are difficult to use, showing signs of damage, or no longer providing proper insulation, it may be time to consider an upgrade. For homeowners in Houston, investing in modern patio doors can make a noticeable difference in both daily comfort and long-term home value. By recognizing the signs early, you can ensure your home remains functional, secure, and ready to enjoy year-round.